Okay, y'all, this is day 2 of me doing a DIY project. Y'all know I'm fixing replacing the hinges on the on my kitchen cabinets. Okay, so y'all see these right here? They came in this little package thing right here. Okay, I got these from Amazon. These are the cabinet hinges, repair plates. Y'all know I was telling y'all that you see how this one right here is like kind of, you know, kind of messed up, rotted out, whatever, you know, or however you want to call it. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, let me switch it over and show you the one that's like not, if I can. Okay, you see this one? It's fine right there. See, it's supposed to look like that one, but if yours don't, and if it look like this one, you could buy these cabinet hinges repair plates and put over it and fix it. Okay, I'm gonna open these. I'm not coming on camera like I told y'all. I'm not feeling it, so I'm not dressed, so I'm not coming on here today. I will be back on here soon. Okay, I don't know if, oh well, they come, I don't know if this right here, this color right here, is to show you that this is the back and this is the front. Okay, they come in 3 separate packages, and they got, and each package got their own screws in there. They come in 3 separate packages, and each got their own screws in there. They got 2 big ones, and each pack got 2 things of screws inside of them. And this little, and then this one, they got 2 plates in it. But this one, these ones only, the big ones only have one plate in it. But these smaller ones right here, and it comes with it looks like 1 pack of screws. It looks like, yeah, it looks like 1 pack of screws, but 2 plates in there. So yeah, and you just put these on like this, something like this. It depends on which kind you need or whatever. Like, well, hold on just a minute. Let me see what kind I would use. Okay, this the one I would use. This the plate I would use. You see it fits in here perfect. It's a perfect fit. See it? You just put it in here. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I would use this one. I would put it on there. Yeah, you just put it on there, and you like I don't know if y'all can see this. And you would just kind of put this on here like that. Oops. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is how it would go, just like this. You would just fix, this is how these plates go. You just put them on there, put the thing in there, and it just fit right on over here in your where you need to repair the cabinet thing. And it got the little 2 holes on there, and you just drill the nails in there. You see? Yep, if it's right there, that's how it go. That's how I will repair it. And it'd be just like that one. Perfect. Okay, y'all. So this is day 2. And you know, I still have no clue. It's been the grace of God. I'm learning. Y'all learning with me. So glory. And so we're gonna replace the hinges on the cabinet. I'm gonna do all the cabinets slowly, but I'm not gonna do a video about it. This is gonna be the only video about how to, for beginners, how to, you know, um, replace the hinges on the cabinet for beginners and people who have no clue, you know. So yeah, we're gonna learn together. We're gonna learn how to do this together. So if it turns out right and it works, I'll replace all the hinges on the cabinets. All right, you all have a slowly, not on video. No, okay. You all have a blessed day. Bye.